Now, let's also get you an India Today exclusive this morning. We had a conversation with the Union Civil Aviation Minister, Jyotiraditya Scindia, on the government's big plans infrastructure-wise, and particularly about the Jewar Airport. Jyotiraditya Scindia has told India Today that the Jewar Airport enabled economic growth in neighbouring areas as well. He's added that this is a dream project for India and for Uttar Pradesh and has been re-energized by Prime Minister Modi. Interestingly, when asked also about how the opposition seems to have criticized this airport and the inauguration spree by the government, Scindia slammed the opposition, saying they're creating roadblocks in the path of progress and saying that this long-pending project could see the light of day only because of Prime Minister Modi. The Union Minister has said that India got 62 new airports in the last 7 years. That takes the total number of airports in India now to 136.
There are two multipliers that are at play with civil aviation. Civil aviation, what we used to hear before, that growth brings along with it a paradigm of connectivity. That formula has now turned on its head. Connectivity brings along with it a paradigm of growth. And that is what we will experience in Jewar as well. The very fact that you have an economic multiplier in the civil aviation sector of 1:3.25, in terms of economic output, a 100 rupee investment results in 325 rupees of economic output. And along with that, an employment multiplier of 1:6.1. So every direct job in civil aviation gives 6.1 indirect jobs in terms of employment opportunities.
So can you tell us a little bit about why this project is such an ambitious dream project of the Prime Minister's and the Centre's?
It is a dream project for the Prime Minister because it is a dream project not only for the state of Uttar Pradesh, but it is a dream project for India. It is a dream project for Bharat. Along with the foundation of airports comes the wheel of economic activity, comes the wheel of employment multipliers. And we are already seeing that happen in Jewar. The fact that over the last 3 years there has been a huge beeline of an attraction towards investment in and around that area. Almost close to about $2 billion worth of investment has already come in. And we are forecasting close to about 60,000 crores of investments and production from the Jewar and the adjoining area, along with close to 1 lakh employment opportunities being energized through this airport activity.